Do you want to be a master thrifter, but don't know how to become one without cluttering up your life? Hi, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Clara. We're professional organizers at Mission to Organize and veteran thrifters. We have 20 plus years of combined experience, so you can trust us to give you the insider scoop on all things thrifty.
Let's get started.
To get the most out of your thrifting experience, here are a few prep steps you should take before you walk out the door. 1. Eat before you go. Finding a good deal can take some time, and you don't want to miss out on an awesome treasure due to a growling stomach.
2. Pack water. It's important to stay hydrated for a long day of thrifting.
3. Wear layers. Some thrift stores don't have changing rooms, so if you want to try something on, it's a good idea to have a base layer that you can easily fit things over.
4. Keep a running list of items on your phone that you're interested in finding, and have measurements next to those items. If you find that perfect end table you've been searching for, you want to make sure it will fit. Don't forget to bring a tape measure with you.
5. Don't go into a thrift store with overly specific expectations. If you're looking for something too particular, you might end up with something you're not in love with and miss out on the true treasures.
These are some great stores to start with. Once you find a store you love, keep an eye out for when they have special deals so you can plan when to get the best bang for your buck.
While thrifting, keep these simple questions in mind to make your shopping experience stress-free. If it's clothing, what will you wear it with, and do you have an occasion to wear it to?
With decor and furniture, will it fit? Will it match? And do I have a need for this item?
With kitchen appliances and other tools, do I have a place to store it, or is it a replacement for an older item?
With these simple questions, you can easily narrow down your search while still finding something you love. Here are a few final tips to help your thrifting experience. Feeling overwhelmed by the amount of items? Search by texture or color to help narrow down your search.
Do not search by size. A lot of times people put things back in the wrong place, and sizes vary from brand to brand. Try on what looks good to you and forget the numbers on the tag.
If you're addicted to thrifting like us, make a pact to not go shopping unless you have a full bag of donations in your car. That way your home won't get too cluttered.
Thank you for joining us on our thrifting adventure today.
We know it can be overwhelming, but the most exciting part about thrifting is finding things you wouldn't find anywhere else. You might find things you never knew you liked until you tried it on. Keep an open mind and have fun.
Check out our blog at missiontoorganize.com and follow us on social media for all the best insider organizing tips. Ciao!